Okay, here is a little something extra. In the back of your math journal, there's activity sheet 1, 2, and 3, and they have a whole bunch of these triangles. It should say 2s, 5s, and 10s, fact triangles. I want you to cut these out. That's what we're doing in class. We're cutting these out, and this is a way to practice our 2s, 5s, and 10s multiplication. I will put it in the directions of this seesaw lesson. The activity sheet again, 1, 2, and 3. We're working with the fact families. It says a fact family is a group of facts made from the same three numbers. For 6, 5, and 30, the multiplication and division fact family is 5 times 6 equals 30. 6 times 5 equals 30. If you notice, the 5 and 6 are just flip-flop, but they mean the exact same thing. It equals 30. Then remember, we take that largest number and we divide it. So 30 divided by 6 is 5, and 30 divided by 5 is 6. See, those two numbers are mixed up again, just flip-flopped. And when we divide, it's always that biggest number first. So right here, you see we have 3, 5, and 15 on our fact triangle. You can cover up any of these numbers and you should be able to know what that missing number is. So if I cover up the big top number, I know it's 3 times 5. Well, what is 3 times 5? Count by 5. How many times? 3 times, right? 5, 10, 15. Is that the answer on the top? You betcha. If I take 15 and I break it up into 5 groups, I have 3 in each. You can even write out your fact families for extra practice at home. But I want you to cut them out, and I want you to either quiz yourself or have your parents quiz you or have siblings quiz you. All you need to do is place one number over the triangle, and you have to find the missing number on that fact triangle. Okay, enjoy.